Hello, language explorers. It's me, Anne, from Walk a Day English, where we provide daily walk themes combined with English language learning. If you are new to Wade, check out our welcome video to see how it all works. Today, we're taking a stroll through Graffiti Alley, using the art and energy of our own spaces to inspire fresh vocabulary and real-life English practice. If you want to make your English more colorful and natural, this video will help you notice, describe, and journal about your surroundings, just like a native speaker. So let's start with our vocabulary for today. As we walk, pay close attention to what you see. Bright murals, spray paint cans, maybe even an artist at work. Listen for sounds, notice the smells, and feel the textures around you. Write down new words or phrases, and if you need to, translate them into English. Later, use these words in your journal to describe your own walk. This is a fantastic way to build vocabulary that's personal and memorable, and you'll find it easier to talk about your daily life in English. Don't worry about getting every word perfect. Just enjoy the process and watch your vocabulary grow. Now, let's focus on our language target using all and whole. So we use these to talk about the total amount of something. With all, we use that with plural nouns. I saw all his murals. I can also use it with uncountable nouns. I saw all the money. With all, it will be followed by the or a possessive, like his or hers, before the noun. When we're using singular countable nouns, we will use the word whole. I walked through the whole alley. So with whole, the will come before it or the possessive will come before it. So I walked through his whole alley. Sometimes whole and all can be interchanged. I read the whole book. I read all of the book. Now, if we look back at this first example, I walked through the whole alley. We cannot say I walked through all of this alley. Alley is a singular countable noun, so it is technically grammatically correct. But when talking about walking through it, we are referring to it as a single continuous space or path. It sounds unnatural because all of is more commonly used with things that can be divided or counted, like all of the rooms or all of the parts. All or the whole plus a time reference. So for example, I walked all day. I walked the whole day. Both cases, they mean the complete day and they are interchangeable. So you don't have to worry about that one. I cannot say though, I walked all of the day. So please be careful. Just a quick bonus, it's not all or whole, but it does relate to time. So every plus a time phrase talks about routines. So every day I walk. I walk around the block every 2 hours. Think about your own examples and put them in the comments. I love reading your sentences. You can download today's PDF guide linked in the description. All this information and some journaling questions are there to guide you through today's walk and journal entry, so you can practice these expressions right away. Before we take a look at my journal entry, where I talk about my Graffiti Alley experience, this is the part of the video where I encourage you to practice your speaking by shadowing what I say. If you are new to shadowing, check out my welcome video. Shadowing is a wonderful way to improve your pronunciation and confidence. Just listen and repeat after me as I describe what I see, hear, and feel in Graffiti Alley. Give it a try and notice how your English starts to flow more naturally. Let's go. Today's walk started out as a wild goose chase, a search that was pointless. I wanted to find a mural by a street artist I liked, but I didn't know exactly where it was. I only knew the sponsor. I also missed that it had been painted in 2015. Since I had walked all the way there, I decided to make the most of it and explore Graffiti Alley. It was so much fun seeing all the murals. This was an interesting mural. It had a picture frame, so it was 3D, but the balloons were painted to look 3D too. I didn't read the whole text while I was there, but this is a tribute piece to Nipsey Hussle, a rapper from the US. The telephone boxes were way fun. This first one with the hand reaching out of the box with the receiver surprised me. It looked like the whole thing had been tagged since it was originally created. The second one was a bit brighter. There are 4 phone receivers in this box. All of them are different colors. I don't know if there were any more phone boxes, but these two were quirky and fun. When I originally took this picture, it was because I saw the mirror face at the top of the pipe. I didn't see all of the other stuff until I got home. Then I saw an Urban Ninja poster, another of my favorite street artists. Then I saw the whole top half of this post was covered in crochet squares. Below that were 2 half skateboards that had been painted. Finally, the rat trap even got tagged. I bet if you sat still here long enough, they might even paint you. All of the walls were painted in Graffiti Alley, and it seemed like it changes every day. Now it's your turn. Grab your notebook, go for a walk in your own space, whether it's in a city street, a park, or even an art gallery, and use the vocabulary you discover and the grammar tips to describe your experience. Write your journal entry and remember, every walk is a chance to grow your English skills. Keep exploring. If you would like to get your personalized feedback on your journal entry, become a Wade member by signing up on our website. Take a look at the next video for another great Walk-A-Day English language adventure. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please click on the subscribe button. Until our next walk, stay safe and go explore your space, one word at a time.